What is it? Right, you need to calm down. Come on. You're gonna get... You're calming down. There's nothing out there. Oh, no. Oh. Well, jump up there then. No, not up here. Go up. No, go away. I know you're stupid doors. Oh no. Oh no. Yes, I know. I know. Go on then. Get up there then. Jump up. No. Not here. Up there. Good girl. Do you know what? I really think... Are you stupid? Go on. You really are. Right, listen, there's no one there, it's you. It's you. It's you. You're barking at yourself. You stick your head out the window, you bark, the echo comes back and barks back at you, and you shout back at it. Don't you? Isn't it? See, you know it's embarrassing now, isn't it? Yes. Have you got a drink? Hang on, let's have a look. Make sure you got a drink. Yeah, you got a drink. Right, isn't it? Are you sorting yourself out? Oh, yeah, I know you're beautiful. I know. Oh, no, you're blue. Isn't it? Do you want to go and shout out the window again? Oh, yeah. Right, this will get you going. This will get... Oh! What are you doing? Whoa. Right, not jump out the window. Don't jump out the window. Hey! Hey! Steady. Hey, careful. I mean it. You stay in here. Go stay in here. Oh, my life. It's like... Right, Toffee, like, serious, you stay in... If you go out that window... Oh, I'm praying you. Right, okay, right, what do? Do I wind her up? Who's that? See, there's nothing there, is there? Is there? You happy now? Are you? Happy? Toffee? Toffee? Oh, good girl. It's alright. No, just testing. See if there was anyone out there. Good girl. Good girl. Go see who's there. There's good girl. Just stay there. Keep guard.